Welcome to the Luna series installation video by Lagom Lighting. Inside the box, you'll find all the hardware you need. If you notice any parts missing, just reach out to our customer service for support. This model is hardwire only. Check out the other series if you are looking for a plug-in light. There are knockout holes on the back, the bottom, and both ends of the fixture for hardwire installation. Let's get started with the hardwire installation. Pry open the wiring compartment cover for easy wire arrangements. Take out the hardware kit. Use a screwdriver or plier to remove the conch-out cover. Take off the lock nut from the cable connector, then install the connector to the knockout and tighten it. Strip about 3/8 inch of the wire insulation. Next, feed the armored cable wires through the connector. Tighten the screws on the cable connector. Now connect each house wire by the wire nuts, green or bare copper, with green, white with white, and black with black. Make sure they are not loose. Then, arrange the wires, tuck them inside. Install the light fixture to the cabinet bottom through the keyhole slot. Reinstall the wiring compartment cover. This model offers selection from soft white 3000 Kelvin, bright white 4000 Kelvin, and daylight white 5000 Kelvin. You can choose from the 3 light tones by the slide switch. Now enjoy your kitchen with Luna under cabinet lights, bright, simple, and stylish.